Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian School of Physics. Guys, this is Nitin here, and today I've come with a problem on work power energy. It is tricky challenge of walking man. And guys, this video is brought to you by Indian School of Physics and Unacademy together, and you can access my theory courses on Unacademy, which are of advanced plus levels for boosting your JEE preparation. You can unlock these courses on Unacademy using my code Nitin sir. And guys, trust me, physics will never be the same again. You can visit www.unacademy.com. And guys, liking, sharing, subscribing is love. So here is the problem statement, and this problem whenever I give to the student, and majority of the students gave wrong answer in the first attempt. So let's discuss here. A man of mass m is standing on a plank of mass capital M. There is no friction between the plank and the ground, but there is friction between mass and plank. At t equal to 0, the man start running with the acceleration AR is equal to KT. Related to the plank, assume that there is no slipping between the man and the plank. Then we have to answer the first part here is work done by the friction on man as a function of time. So guys, here we have to see that this man is running relative to the plank with the acceleration of KT, which is time varying here, right? So friction on the man will be in forward direction, and on the plank it will be backside. So here you can see that plank is going to move in this direction, and friction also will be this side. And the tricky part in this problem is, if plank is having displacement in this direction, then point of application, the touching points of the legs of the man will be moving in the backward direction, whereas friction here will be acting in forward direction. So work done by friction on man is going to be negative, and this is where the majority of the students will be doing mistake in this. They find it as positive, and let me know in the comment section if you are also giving answer as positive in your first attempt. And so let's discuss here, and let's say with respect to ground, acceleration of this is am, and acceleration of this is A capital M, which I'm taking as A. So since net force on this system is 0 here, I can say the net force on this man will be m into its acceleration in ground frame I can take, right? And similarly here, the net force on this will be capital M into A, and these two should be same because the overall net force on this system in horizontal direction is 0. So with respect to plank, the acceleration is AR. So with respect to ground, we can say it will be in right side direction. It will be in the right side direction, and value will be AR minus A. So M times AR minus A, that is equal to MA. So I am getting this A in terms of AR, which is MAR by M plus M. If I substitute the value of this AR, which is KT here, M into KT by M plus M, so I can just find out the velocity of this. I know the acceleration of plank. So velocity of plank, I can just simply write it as dv by dt and integrate. So I'm not showing this here directly, I can integrate. So it will come as m by m plus m kt square by 2. So similarly, like momentum conservation equation we can use from there, or maybe we can find out the value of AR minus A, and then we can write the velocity of man as a function of time as well. So that's what I have written here, that work done by friction on man is going to be negative, and here we need to be careful as friction on man and displacement of point of application are in opposite direction. So let's calculate this value also. So before that, here we will find out the work done by friction on plank as a function of time. So plank is moving only because of friction, so very easily I can use work energy theorem here on the plank, and I can write this WFR capital M is equal to half m Vm square. So this Vm value I'm going to substitute here, and when I simplify this, I'm going to get this as the answer, half m times m by m plus m whole square k square t square divided by 4. And then in order to calculate work done by friction on man, I will use the logic that net work done by static friction on a system will always be 0. And if it is always 0, then I can say work done by friction on man, it will be exactly negative of work done by friction on capital M. right? So exactly negative of this will come here. So minus half m times m by m plus m whole square k square t to the power 4. So this is going to be the answer for this part. And now the third part is also tricky. Work done by the man as a function of time. So majority of the students will make a mistake here in first part and third part. They will think if somebody is asking work done by the man as a function of time, so it must be work done by friction on man, and they will apply this as a change in kinetic energy. But that is not the case. That is not the case. So while running, there are two kind of things which are happening. So friction is doing negative work on man, but the kinetic energy of man is increasing with time. I hope you are able to understand that overall this man is moving towards the right side. So its kinetic energy is increasing, friction is doing negative work. So somebody else must be supplying energy to the man, and that is where the muscular work or internal work by the man will come into picture. Now if we apply work energy theorem on the man, this will be the W internal or W muscular or W man, and plus work done by friction on man is equal to change in kinetic energy of this Vm value. If I substitute here from here, and this value I can substitute again from the previous part, and when I simplify, I am going to get W man is equal to plus mm by m plus m k square t to the power 4 by 8. This is going to be the final answer for this problem. And guys, this is original problem and a very tricky one and very nice problem, and such type of problems can definitely come in JEE Advanced type of exam. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and if that is the case, please leave a like, share this problem with others, and I'll be coming up very soon with another amazing video like this. And guys, in many of the previous videos I have mentioned about this Unacademy Super 20. So from the tests which are happening from November 30th to December 12th, we will be selecting top 500 rankers, and we will draw a lucky draw in order to select top 20 students, and they will be attending 2-day workshop, you can say, or boot camp in most likely in Bangalore city. And there will be some interaction between those students and the top educators of Unacademy. And so make sure to participate in the tests which are happening in this duration, and you can use my code Nitin sir whenever you are participating. So boot camp with top educators who have produced top ranks, including All India Rank 1. So all expenses and everything will be paid by Unacademy for this boot camp, and yeah, it will be definitely worth attending. And there is a mega offer going on, and it will be valid till tomorrow, you can say 30th November. And you can say here 18 months iconic or plus subscription. If you take, you'll get 3 months extension. Similarly, if you buy for 6 months iconic, you'll get 1 month extra in this case. And this offer is also valid up to 30th of November. So guys, you can hurry up if you want to see the quality of lectures we deliver at Unacademy. So that's it guys. I hope this problem has given another very good insight to you on concepts. And if you are enjoying these videos, please leave a like. Thank you. Thanks for watching it.